Building a healthy relationship in your youth is like planting a garden. It takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of patience. Here's some straightforward advice to help young hearts flourish in the realm of love. Speak openly and honestly with your partner. Share your thoughts, dreams, and fears. Effective communication builds trust and understanding, creating a strong foundation for a lasting connection. Before diving into romance, focus on building a strong friendship. Enjoy each other's company, share laughter, and be there for one another. A solid friendship forms the basis of a resilient relationship. While being in a relationship is wonderful, it's crucial to maintain your individuality. Encourage your partner to pursue their passions and support each other's personal growth. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship. Instead of pointing fingers, approach conflicts with kindness. Listen actively, express your feelings calmly, and work together to find solutions. Understand your own boundaries and communicate them with your partner. Respect their boundaries as well. Establishing clear limits ensures both partners feel safe and valued. Acknowledge each other's successes, no matter how small. Celebrating achievements, whether personal or shared, strengthens your bond and fosters a positive atmosphere. Embrace the journey of personal and collective growth. Discover new things, face challenges hand in hand, and cherish the shared experiences that mold your relationship into something beautiful. Remember, love is a continuous process of learning and adapting. Be patient with each other, enjoy the journey, and savor the magic of discovering the world hand in hand. With communication, respect, and a dash of adventure, your love story can be an enchanting tale for the ages.